So I've been getting some DMs on how I do this wavy, messy, beach-like hairstyle. Today, I just want to show you my step-by-step process in case you want to try this hairstyle for yourself. So to start out, I just hopped out of the shower and basically you just need to make sure that your hair is starting out kind of damp. If you're like me and just shower every morning, then you can do this. Otherwise, you can just damp your hair with sink water and then just towel dry your hair. So since I'm going for this messy hairstyle, I'll basically just kind of take my hands and run it through my hair a little bit. Now, this depends on your hair type, but for me, if I let my hair air dry, it'll just become super poofy and curly. So I usually like to apply some heat first just to kind of tame it a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is take this blow dryer right here and kind of blow dry my hair up into the direction where I want it to go. So a little tip that I do for the back, I will blow dry my hair up. That way there's a little bit more volume kind of in the back, and then you'll see it a little bit later, but I will usually crunch my hair just to give it a little bit more texture. Okay, so my hair isn't like completely dry, it's still a little bit damp, which is okay. So the hair product that I've been loving at the moment is this texturizing paste from First Hand. Basically, I'll just use a dime-sized piece, rub it into my hand, and then I will just try to get the top of the hair first, and then I will go a little bit deeper to try and get into my roots. If I'm going for a cleaner look, I could use a wide tooth comb, but since I'm going for that messy look, I'm just gonna use my fingers and move my hair around a little bit. What I'll do for the sides is just kind of push my hair back like this, just to give it a cleaner look. And then like I said earlier, for the back, I will kind of just take my hands like this and crunch my hair a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit more product. So this is the final look, and I know right now my hair looks pretty clean and isn't as messy as some of the photos that I showed you earlier, but as the day progresses though, I'll usually comb through my hair with my hands and it kind of gives it more of that messy look. So I'll check back in a few hours to show you what it looks like.